OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT-5, and it's being called their smartest model yet, with PhD-level reasoning. But does it live up to the hype? Let's peel back the curtain and explore the tech that makes GPT-5 both powerful and controversial. I'm Shahab, and this is ShahabIT. Released August 7, 2025, GPT-5 is now the default model for all ChatGPT users, Free, Plus, Pro, Teams, and Enterprise. OpenAI describes it as offering faster, more accurate responses with improved coding, reasoning, writing, and health-related performance. GPT-5 uses a smart routing system to decide between quick answers in fast mode or deeper reasoning in thinking mode based on prompt complexity. Context capability has expanded dramatically, now processing up to 270,000 tokens input and 128,000 tokens output, enabling full document conversations. Enhanced coding abilities, better health responses, new personality modes, and improved multimodal support make GPT-5 more versatile than ever. The new unified ChatGPT voice offers more natural speech, plus Gmail and calendar integration boost productivity significantly. Despite the hype, users quickly spotted mistakes in math, logic, and geography. The cause was blamed on a broken auto-switcher. Some users preferred the more empathetic GPT-4o. CEO Sam Altman warns about emotional attachment to AI and its mental health implications. A real case of bromide poisoning from following ChatGPT guidance highlights the critical importance of cautious handling of health queries. GPT-5 is a leap in AI accessibility, faster, smarter, more capable, but not without growing pains and the need for human oversight. GPT-5 is a bold step toward AGI-like capabilities, but the journey ahead needs refinement, responsibility, and human oversight. What feature excites you most, or concerns you? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech deep dives on ShahabIT. Thanks for watching.